So if you're like me, you walked into an Indian motorcycle dealership, you checked out these great motorcycles, you were looking for a full bag or full dress tourer, and you got drawn towards the Roadmaster. That's what I did, or a Chieftain, or anything with a Thunderstroke 116. So you basically ended up buying one of these fine machines and you started riding it here, there, everywhere. Now these bikes are super comfortable, they're nice to look at and all of that good stuff, but it kind of sort of misses that one thing, at least in its stock form, in my opinion, is it's got no sound, doesn't have that punch, that oomph to it, you know? It just doesn't quite do it. Here, take a listen. Yeah, so you see, it really doesn't sound all that awesome. Well, the first thought that popped into my head was, well, it needs a new set of pipes. Well, sure, but then there's tons of options for pipes, and as I spoke to more technicians and stuff, they told me I should think about getting an intake as well to get the most out of the pipes. And so today I'm gonna give you a little clip of the pipes by Tab Performance and what was done to this bike. So don't go anywhere. It's me, it's your boy Bro, and I'm your Bro-man. As I started doing my research, I found out that there's quite a few that make it. Yeah, Indian has its own slip-ons, and there's a few other companies that make it, but there's not a ton of options until I stumbled upon this company called Tab Performance, and they make these pipes that are called the B.A.M Sticks, and you can get different baffles with it, and they have low, loud, medium, all of that. So the loud ones are the Zombie Baffles, and that's what I ended up getting. And to complement that, I got the Stage 1 air intake from Indian. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these things put on the bike, and I'll also put a sound clip comparing how this bike sounded in its stock form versus how it sounds now.
This is where that Stage 1 air filter would go. Let's remove this. Alright, so the stock air filter is off. This is where it went, and this is where we'll have our new Stage 1 intake. So this is the stock air filter cover. This is my stock air filter. This is that intake and the channel in there. This is the one for the Stage 1. So you see it's much bigger, and it's got more channels on the side, and it also has a bigger filter. Stock Stage 1. So here we have the bags taken off. You have to take off the bags to get to the pipes. Alright, so now we have the stock off, the stock exhaust slip-on part off, and these are the slip-ons by Tab Performance, and they have the Zombie Baffles. These look awesome with the straight cut.
I love the sound that these pipes make, and the Stage 1 air intake, man, it really helps this big engine breathe better, and the exhaust makes it sound a lot better. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Keep your knees in the breeze. I'll see you soon. Bro out.